everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Ankur and this channel is all about helping developers like you level up their skills in web development. Today we are diving into some important features about route handler. If you were working in Next.js 15, in today's video our topic is handling get request. In the previous video we have talked about how to handle the route handlers and how the things can be handled with the help of route handler. So in the coming video we are discussing each and every feature of route handler like get post on the basis of that, so that you can easily understand how get request work. So now if you are building APIs, fetching data from external source or working with server-side rendering, understanding how to handle get request effectively is a game changer. And with the latest update in Next.js 15, there are some exciting improvements that make this process smoother than video. First of all, we identify in this video we have covered some topics. First of all, we set up the environment. Secondly, we take our demo data and fetch with the help of get request in that. Finally, we will walk to the practical example so that you can easily see everything in action and maybe even pick a few topics and tricks along the way. Then, if by the end of this video, you will have a full understanding of how to fetch and manage data effectively in your Next.js project. If you are ready to take your Next.js skill to the next level, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future update. Alright, let's jump in. So let's move on to the Visual Studio Code. So first of all, today topic is that we have to build a get. In today's video, we are talking about get handler. So how to implement get handler functionality? Get is the post which is handled by the route handler. So in this today we are creating a small example with that, so that you can before getting handling get request, we need to set up a new environment. Here in your extension, you have to go to the Visual. If you have a Visual Studio Code, if you are using that, then you can go to the extension and type Postman over there. The Postman, you can see that if you click on Postman, here the Postman is it is the extension with the help extension using VS Code to test our API requests which are just building in this particular video. So we are using this. You can see that my Postman is already installed in my Visual Studio Code. But apart from Postman, you can also install Thunder client, which is also used for Thunder client. It is also the lightweight API client for the VS Code, so that you can easily test your API. So first, you can install whether Thunder client or Postman, depend upon your choice. Now let's talk about how we can create a data for that. First of all, we need to create the data. We create a sample data for that. So we can do that. So we can create a folder. So now here you can see we can go to the app folder there, and inside app folder, we can move to top and we can close all the other files, so that we can close all files. Now in the app folder, we can create a new folder with the name comments, and inside comment we can create a file with the name data.ts. In this we can create our sample data. So here you can see that I have already created some sample data for you, so that it will not take more time. So you can just copy it from here. So export constant. In this we have a comment array of comment with the ID and text over there. So this is the data.txt text file, and now we can we can create a new file with the name route.ts, so that we can route to the get request through the comment in our application. So as you can see that we have added the sample data for our get to handle the get request handler. So let's build our get route handler to it. Now for this we can create a separate file for it. Inside the comment section, so we can create a new file and name. We can select the comment folder and we can create a new file with the name route.tsx. And inside it we can create a get route handler. So for creating this, before that we have to import the comment from the data.tsx file. So we can import comments and add it to it, and this comment will be get back to the response when the someone make a get request to it. So let's create a function for the get route handler. So we can use export async function, and inside that we can give a get request, and inside that we can return response .json, and inside that it will pass a comment to it. Now This is our get route handler. Code for get route handler. Now we have already created two files now in the comment section, in the comment folder, inside the comment folder. One is the data.ts. In this it is an array of comments, and second is the routing for the get to add the get route handler. So let's start the server. So let npm runtime. We have to start the server, and we can make a get request with the help of post menu, which I told you to set up before, so that you can test your API at your end. Now you can see that localhost 3000 is running fine. Now we can go to the Postman or the Thunder client, which you or any one client you have installed the extension for it to test the API. Now we can know that it is starting. Now we can click on the new HTTP request and wait for the loading. Now here you have to select the get request. I have already selected that. So we are making the get request, and the URL is here, local. So we can type it with localhost. So before making a get request to the comment, let's see what localhost 3000 showed when we make a get request from the Postman. So let's wait for it. So it is compiling. So here, so if you click on the preview, so here you can see your application page of on the localhost 3000 will be seen here. Okay, now let's visit comment section, for which we have created the get route handler. So we can visit localhost 3000 plus comment and press enter, make a get request. So here you can see, let me to PC. So here you can see that all the comment data which you made, which we have created in the data.css, will be available here in the get request made by the Postman in Visual Studio Code. So when you visit http localhost 3000 comment, it is a get request, and this get request is coming here, and in response to that, the comment will be displayed on the browser part. So here, this is how you can make a get request to that particular in the Next.js application with the help of get route handler. If you directly move on to the browser, you can see there also this comment. So let's check on the browser also. Let's move on to the browser. So when you visit localhost 3000, you can see the home page, and when we make comment on visit the comment folder, so you can see that we can click on pretty print. So here you can see all the comment which we are added on the data.tsx file. So ID 1, this is first comment, second comment, third comment, and these all comment you are easily seen from it. So and if you click on click on F12, so in the network section, and you can reload that particular again. So in the comment section, you can find that the request method is get method, and it is in the localhost 3000 comment. So this is how you can handle the get request with the help of get route handler in Next.js application. I hope you can easily understand how to handle the get request or making so that we can fetch the data from the server. So I hope you really understand how to handle the get request in Next.js 15. And that's wrap up. In this video, we have covered how to handle get request in Next.js 15. Let's explore the basics of fetching data with the help of making a get request to the localhost 3000 in the application, and integrating CMS into your page or component. So whether you are building a dynamic dashboard or blog or e-commerce site, mastering get request is a crucial step in creating fast, efficient, and user-friendly applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on Next.js and modern web application. Got question or suggestion? Drop them in the comment below. I will love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.